I'm walking across from our hostel where we are staying, and I'm just going to the small mini market across the road, and I buy some food for us to cook this afternoon for our meal, which is late lunch come dinner. So this is the shop, and I am looking for some meat and some veggies. Tomatoes, I'll get one big tomato, one onion. Oh god, they are so huge. Oh, here's a good one. Yeah, it's a good one. Probably one big potato. I still don't know what I want to cook, but this is not bad. And yeah, so this is the problem of having to be your own camera person. I need some capsicum, red ones. One. Oh, they have my favorite fruit, so maybe, but it's not ripe. My favorite fruit is banana, and this one from Chile, but it's not ripe. Here is the choices of meat I have. That's chicken, and then there is beef on that side. So hey guys, we are in San Pedro de Atacama in Chile, in the Atacama Desert, and we are staying in a hostel. This town is extremely expensive, so to save on our costs and be able to pay for a bed and a nice room, because it's extremely hot as well, we're doing more cooking. So I just came from shopping, and I plan to make a meal for probably 3 or 4 meals in one go. So I bought chicken. These are chicken thighs, huge. I bought 3, and then I have the capsicum, I have tomato. I'm gonna put waru because, well, I am wamoyo waru, and then I have the onions. Then I bought pita bread. That's what we're gonna have it with. I have some spices that were handed down to me by a friend we met called Faith as they were finishing their trip in Valparaiso. And yeah, so I'm looking for a chopping board and I can't find one. So in the absence of a chopping board, I have to improvise. And I have everything else other than oil. So I'm gonna cook this chicken with a bit of its skin so that I have some oil. So the chicken is cooking right here, and we do the warus. Then tomato, onions, capsicum. Yep. Chicken is cooking, my tomatoes are ready, my onions are here, and Dos is doing the sniffing.
Your man is here.
Oh, and my man is here as well. So let's tell you about our life when we are not on motorcycle, when we are not doing any experiences. So Dos, camping has been tough, huh?
Camping has been tough, but then we're in a town called San Pedro de Atacama, where everything is very, very expensive.
Yeah.
So in the expensive towns, we would rather cook for ourselves to save on the money, and also it's a nice way just to meet the people who are staying in the place, and it's enjoyable.
Yeah. So we arrived here yesterday, and I had serious shoulder aches from the winds of the past few days. So today we are not getting out of the hostels. We thought, why not show you something different, because we are always showing you videos of places we go, the motorbikes and everything, but like you don't know how our life is
Day to
day. Yeah, so I've done a bit of washing and now cooking. Just you go for salt.
And also it's a nice thing to have a not doing day, just a lazy day, because the last few days we've just been riding.
Just enjoys watching videos,
YouTube.
sleeping.
Yeah.
I have a problem being in the room, so I'll get out and do a lot of nothing outside the room. Yeah, basically that.
Yeah. Where is the salt?
In the bike.
Oh, yeah.
Let me see first whether there is any salt here. No, there is no salt. It's the panya on the other side, not the side of the sexton. And then there will be a black bag that has sugar, coffee.
A black bag.
Not big, tiny like this.
Oh, yeah,
Standard.
please.
In the room. The food is ready. I guess.
Yeah.
So you come serve yourself. Come.
It's okay. That be sugar. I love at the spoons.
We'll tell you if it is delicious because yes, of course. Okay, no spoon, so it looks like we're going to use.
1 teaspoon.
It's going to be the God's given spoon. So here we have our food ready to eat. Happy people.
And bread.
Yeah, pita bread. Bon appetit, though.
Bon appetit.